Welcome back, I'm Bea, and if you are new here, my channel is about mixed media, art, journaling, painting, assemblage and anything else that sparks my interest. So here we are with a fun background again. This time we use some joint compound from the hardware store, or like in my case from Hubby's workshop. Either one works. As you can see, I did use this time the powdered form, which I'm gonna mix in with water and the paint. Besides the joint compound, I also gonna use some acrylic paint and stencils. And by the way, talking about stencils, in one of the next episodes, I don't know exactly which one yet, we're gonna make some stencils ourselves. So start collecting plastic from packages and all protector sheets to be ready. But now back to the table. As you can see, I did mix the powder with paint and water. There are no exact measurements here. My metallic paint is very liquid, so I don't need as much water as with the more dry paints. The goal here is to have a somewhat stiff but malleable modeling paste, which I can use with a stencil. So I recommend adding water in small portions, mix them and if needed add more. I did edit out only the drying process, which was about half a day. So you're gonna see everything, just some parts speeded up twice. Now enjoy my process. I will step in when I have to say something. But as always, if there are any questions, just leave them in the comments. So for the next step I had to make sure that I have a really stiff brush. The goal is here just to hit the top part of the full modeling paste. I also had to make sure that I have only a little bit of paint on my brush to go over the raised parts. As you maybe have guessed, I was going for a rather grungy and industrial look. The reason for adding black and now copper paint again. The copper paint in the joint compound didn't give any metallic sheen, so I had it to incorporate here again. I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, please give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment and share on whatever social media you are on. And also, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any new videos I come up with. I have usually 2 videos per week. I hope to see you soon somewhere online.